This is a ceiling fan in the kitchen of my grandmother's on my dad's side's house. This fan appears to be 52 inches. It first appeared to be 60 inches, but when I measured it when I compared the blades of this one to the blades of my new Canarm Builder AB, this was sitting up there, seem the same size. As you can see, three of the blades are loose. And as well, this is the same. I figured this is the same blade and brackets as the Canarm Builder AB. So this fan could be Canarm or a Hunter, because I think someone said at the start where we got this fan a while ago that that Hunter makes Canarm fans. But I'm not sure about that, because the Canarm TV56 don't look like their Hunter. They look like, I think the Canarm TV56 are made by Union or whatever, I don't know. But all I know is that some of them are made by Hunter. That's all I need to know about that. Anyway, there's another one of these fans, but it's broken. If this really can't be fixed, then they're probably gonna release the Canarm Modern, because the light matches. Let's see, these two fans are just, a while ago just sitting underneath these being fanned by 3 fans. Yeah. You know, he's been down for a 52-inch fan, maybe slightly long, but it's an okay spin down. It takes 2 minutes to spin down, according to my video. And I'm gonna start this fan on full speed. The fan comes on with the light.
No. Stop running.
Yeah, it's a fluorescent light, a circular fluorescent light. I just want to show you how. What do you need to change into my? I need to change into my indoor slippers. I should be wearing my flip flops inside. Oh well, just for the video. And I gotta turn this down to medium. It's very weak for a high speed. And I'm gonna turn it to low speed. This is slow interval to low speed, from medium to low speed, so I'm gonna turn it off for a while. Let it spin down naturally. Until it's reached its actual low. I'm sorry for the TV sounds. If it bothers you. I mean, that's about the low speed. By the low speed, these motors or the capacitors or combinations too. I'm quite old, this fan is 15 years old and 15, so the motor is quite worn down. That's it, thanks for watching.